Walk with me, talk with me. So Debbie and Dave, they bought a new house several months ago. Their old house has been sitting vacant with a for sale sign in the yard. Last week, someone broke in, turned on the water in the kitchen and all the bathrooms, then proceeded to close all the drains. It took Debbie and Dave a few days to check on the house. As you can imagine, what kind of damage has been done. And that is a true story. A vacant property will always cost more to insure than a property that's occupied. Vacant properties are more susceptible to losses because nobody's there to monitor the property day in and day out. So if a loss does happen, it might be days before somebody notices it. And here's the thing, vacant properties are also an attractive nuisance for kids, for squatters, for vandals. Here's another thing to consider as you think about the price for a vacant home policy. Take a minute to look through the lens of the insurance company for a minute. Usually, vacant policies are going to be considered a short-term policy. They may last a month, 2 months, maybe a year. Either way, they're going to be considered a short-term policy. So it's going to cost more for them to do that policy. The cost to underwrite it, the cost to issue it, the cost to inspect it. So it's going to cost more than a normal homeowner policy that might last for several years. Before we wrap up our walk, I want to leave you with this nugget. As a homeowner, if your home sits vacant for 30 to 45 days, depending on the insurance company, if it sits vacant for 30 plus days, there's going to be a clause in your policy that states you will have minimal to no coverage. There will be a giant gap if you have a loss. So if you think your house is going to sit vacant for 30 plus days, you need a vacant property policy. Your homeowner's insurance will not take care of that. You need a special vacant property policy if it's going to sit vacant. So, insurance is boring, but it protects